Check the other side.
Yeah, you're in?
Yes! Yes!
You know, how did you know when to steer to the left?
Do you know what? Something just told me spiritually.
Hey guys, welcome to another driving lesson video, and we have Reon again. And today, what are we doing, Reon?
Reverse bay parking.
Yes, so I've asked him to watch a video in the Ultimate Driving course, which you've hopefully done.
Yes.
Yeah, and taken some information in.
Yeah.
So, what do you know about this manoeuvre?
So, right, you should be checking your blind spots, because when you're parking to the left, so say there's left and then there's right, yeah?
Yeah.
On the videos. Left, your car swings out. So you got to watch for your surroundings, for other cars and
Yeah,
stuff.
so you know when it swings out to the left, yeah? So when you're going to steer this, so it's going to swing out like that.
Yeah.
Where should you check before it swings out? What's the most important check?
The blind spot?
Which one?
Oh, this is the hard one now.
Just have a think about it. Your car's going to swing out like this. So, where are you going to cause the most danger? To which side?
The right.
That's it, good. Yeah, if you're doing the other one, then it's to that side.
Yeah.
Good. So, you reckon you could park in there, or you want me to fully talk you through it? How do you want to do this?
So, I think that I should give it a go first myself.
Okay.
And then, if there's any... And then do a talk through of where I went wrong.
Okay, cool.
Fine.
So you don't want any help, you just want to give it a go, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Let's go. Okay.
So you just want me to sit there quietly so that you finish?
Yeah, because then I feel like it'll be better that way.
Cool.
Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna check.
So it's all yours, yeah? I'm not doing anything.
Okay. Check. I'm gonna... Okay, reverse, fine. Okay, fine. So, left. So that means I'm full locking it all the way to this side. Yeah. This side.
So I don't want to say anything about you cliff, I can.
Okay. Check the other side.
Yeah, you're in?
Yes! Yes! Buzzing.
You know, how did you know when to steer to the left?
Do you know what? Something just told me spiritually. And I was just like, this is it. And then I just went through. You can't, sometimes you just can't question it. You've just got to go with the divine energy, and I went with the divine energy today.
I was hoping you'd say that. You know, the pointers that you mentioned in the video,
Yeah.
I kind of used a similar one and it worked. Yeah, I was going to say this is going to be a brilliant advertisement for my driving course. Yeah, but the spirit you just felt something.
Yeah, I just felt something. Something told me. No, it did. Honestly, you laugh, but I'm being deadly serious.
So you reckon you can get that? What was it? You said spiritual,
divine energy.
Divine energy.
Yeah.
Can that divine energy tell you each time, or you just potluck now and again?
No. Like, energy is never potluck. You just feel it within your soul and your spirit.
So you just knew when to steer?
Well, yeah, because obviously, like, I watched a video
Yeah.
and then something just told me stop, and then I stopped,
Okay.
and then I just did
No,
it.
seriously.
No, seriously, like, obviously I got the reference points there, but when it told
But
me
you
to
didn't
stop,
use that, did you? Did you use anything?
well, I don't know. I can't tell you what I did because I literally just don't know. I just went for it. I just went for it. And that
At
was
least you're honest.
I did.
At least
I just
you're
went for
honest.
it.
Okay. So we want something that, if he works again, I'm not going to question it.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, but we're going to do it again.
Yeah.
Just to check that you can do it again. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know that point when you steer to the left, that's the main make or break of this manoeuvre. Yeah, and that was brilliant, the point of turn. Yeah. Observations, I would say, just make sure, before your car swings out, check the right blind spot.
Okay.
Yeah, you can stop a few times if you need to, yeah? Okay. Going back, you could have come back furthermore. You can use the camera here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Or have a look over your right shoulder. Can you see the curb in the back window there? In the back window.
In the back window.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
Like
use
little
that as a
triangle.
reference point.
Yeah. So whereabouts is the curb coming in? Like, at this point anyway. Can you see it anyway?
Yeah.
Yeah, where is it?
It's go. No. There.
Yeah, so you can bring in a tiny bit more
Yeah.
out there. Yeah, so you have got a bit more space behind you. I know the sensor started going off, yeah, but use that pointer there.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, and I'd say just do it a little bit more slower.
Yeah.
Okay. And don't forget those checks, especially the right blind spot check here. Give it another go.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Right here.
Take your time. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you were about to steer the wrong way though. When you first did it.
Whatever, mate. You're trying to just say something now, aren't you? Remember, the energy never lies. Okay, right. Stop.
The little blind spot mirrors, the round ones, they normally help you out on this manoeuvre.
Okay. Wait. Love, she's gonna have to wait for me.
What do you reckon this time?
Open the door.
What do you think?
Buzzing?
Yeah, it's in. Are you totally happy with your position?
Is it in?
It's in.
Then I'm happy then.
Okay. Is there anything that could have been slightly better though? I just want to see your assessment.
My check-in, maybe?
No, checking was good. Positioning wise, how did it feel? It's in though.
Oh, I know what you're saying. It's not dead on straight.
Yeah. It's just slightly angled, yeah. So you could have straightened up a bit sooner.
Yeah.
But even if it's like this, if you feel, you know what, I want to go a bit more forward and sort it, you can do that as well. Yeah, but for the purpose of a driving test, this would be best. All four tyres are in.
Yeah.
But obviously, when you're out shopping, park nice and straight. Yeah.
Yeah, just whack it into first.
Go on then, show me.
Yeah.
Well then, that's the main thing. Your checks like you did there.
Whack it into first and just line it up. and then let's just go again.
So again, you can use that, but say if the camera is not working.
Not working.
Remember that pointer over the right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what was that pointer over the right?
It was the curb to this point, wasn't it?
Yep.
That point.
Good. You know, Reon, again, so, you know, this time again when you steered to the left, yeah? The only thing you did was you steered when the car was not moving. It's called dry steering, yeah?
Yeah.
It's not massive, but continuously doing that, yeah, does wear out the tyres and the steering, yeah. Okay?
I know a good tyre geezer.
Right. But again, but the point that you did the steering was bang on.
Okay.
Tell us, like, say if you was to teach a fellow learner,
Yeah.
at the point of turn or when to steer, what would you say to him? You can't say the divine energy.
So, just reverse, find your line, and then just stop there and just start reversing. That's all I can say, really. I don't know, the divine energy, man.
Yeah,
You just know when it's right. You see the line,
yeah.
and then you just full lock it, and then you continue to reverse, and then as you're reversing, if you see that the two wheels are in line with the two lines that you're reversing into, then just continue back, and if not, then just go reverse back. No, go forward and start again until you feel that it's right.
It's not a bad explanation, yeah. Okay. For those of you guys that can't just sense you like Reon does and gets divine energy helping him out, yeah, just watch the videos on the course.
Just be confident.
Yeah, and watch the videos on the course.
Yeah, just watch the videos
clear
on the
instructions
course.
of actually how to use these reference points, yeah.
Yeah.
But Reon, you know what? Really happy with that. I didn't even teach you much at all on this. Yeah. Okay,
Were you telling them going forward? Were you telling them to see me? Rapping on the Houdini.
Just don't reckon now. I thought
I'm a top lad, that's why.
I thought this would take a lot longer than it did, yeah. Well done. That's the video ended. So guys,
make sure when you're reversing, confidence is key. Download the Ultimate Driving app so then you can refresh your knowledge, come into the driving lesson with some confidence, and you will smash it. Don't forget to like, comment and ring the bell for the next time that DJN uploads. He's the best driving instructor in the whole of West Midlands. He really thinks that he's top notch.
No, West Midlands, is that it?
Oh, in the world.
Bloody
I stand
hell.
corrected, I do apologise.
We're done. See you guys.